UFC lightweight champion Islam Makhachev isn't a fan of the promotion bringing back the BMF title. In an interview with Daniel Cormier, Makhachev says that he's not interested in the BMF title and thinks the UFC only books fighters to compete for it who are unable to win a real championship.
Dustin Poirier is fighting Justin Gaethje for the BMF title. So, what, man? What is wrong with you, bro? What is wrong with you?
Brother, that's one question. If Dustin Poirier beat Gaethje and he gonna fight next for the title, lightweight title, he gonna come with BMF title. Yes, brother. I'm lucky because I don't want this BMF. What is this? What is this? Please
You don't want
this.
what?
How I can translate BMF?
What you mean? How can you translate BMF? BMF?
Best.
No. Baddest motherfucker is the name of this.
You want to be? This out belt. You want to be? Brother, honestly, this belt for the bums, you know. First time who fight for this belt?
Diaz and Masvidal.
Diaz and Masvidal. The people who never can be champion, you know. They give him some belt. Guys, be happy. Fight for BMF. But this is what it is. I don't know, bro. then I have to stop this. But after this, please tell me. Stop.
What is wrong with you, man? What is wrong with you?